This is a turtle. Hi, little explorers. Let's meet the turtle, a gentle animal that carries its home on its back. The turtle lives in rivers, lakes, oceans, and forests all around the world, from the USA to Vietnam. This amazing creature eats plants, fruits, insects, and sometimes fish. A turtle can live from 30 to over 80 years and loves basking in the sun or swimming slowly. Did you know the turtle can hide its head and legs inside its shell for protection?
This is a longhorn beetle. Look closely, little explorers. The longhorn beetle is an insect with very long antennae, sometimes longer than its body. You can find longhorn beetle in forests, gardens, and woodlands across Asia, Europe, Africa, and the Americas. A longhorn beetle enjoys eating wood, leaves, and sometimes fruits. They usually live about 1 to 3 years. Longhorn beetle love crawling on tree trunks, hiding in bark, and exploring plants. They are unique, colourful, and fascinating little creatures to discover in nature.
This is a dolphin. Guess what, friends? Dolphins are some of the happiest swimmers in the ocean. A dolphin can be found in warm seas near countries like the United States, Australia, and Japan. This playful dolphin loves to eat fish and squid, using its smart brain to hunt with friends. A dolphin can live about 30 to 50 years, and it really enjoys jumping high, playing games, and swimming fast. Many children remember dolphins because they are friendly and full of fun.
This is a eagle bird. Hi, Skywatchers! Meet the mighty eagle bird, a strong hunter with sharp eyes and big wings. The eagle bird lives in many countries across the world, from the mountains of America to the forests of Asia and Africa. It enjoys eating fish, rabbits, and other small animals. An eagle bird can live about 20 to 30 years.
Scuttle, scuttle!
Let's meet the sideways walking sea crab. Sea crabs live in oceans all around the world, near countries like Vietnam, Japan, and the United States. A sea crab eats algae, small fish, and bits of plants. It can live up to 8 years. Sea crabs love hiding under rocks and using their strong claws to grab food. Can you say sea crab? Yay! Sea crabs are tiny, tough, and super fun to watch.
This is a bear!
Hi, nature adventurers! Meet the strong bear, a big animal that lives in forests and mountains.
The bear can be found in many countries, like Canada, Russia, and the USA. It enjoys eating fish, berries, honey, and sometimes small animals. A bear can live about 20 to 30 years. These animals...
This is a killer whale. Hi, ocean adventurers. Meet the killer whale, also called the orca, a black and white giant of the sea. The killer whale lives in oceans all around the world, from the icy Arctic to warm tropical seas. It enjoys eating fish, seals, and sometimes even whales. A killer whale can live 40 to 60 years, and some even longer. These animals love swimming in pods, hunting together, and leaping out of the water. The killer whale is smart, strong, and a true ocean superstar.
This is a turkey. Hello, farm friends. Today, we meet the turkey, a big bird with shiny feathers and a funny red wattle under its beak. The turkey lives on farms and forests in countries like the United States, Mexico, and Canada. It eats seeds, fruits, and small insects while walking around. The turkey can live about 10 years and enjoy staying in groups with family. Isn't the turkey a friendly and special bird that people also celebrate on holidays?
Let's glide through the icy sea and meet the smiling beluga whale. Beluga whales live in cold oceans near countries like Canada, Russia, and Greenland. A beluga whale eats fish, squid, and crabs. It can live up to 50 years. These white whales love to swim in groups and are great at making sounds to talk to each other. Can you say beluga whale? Yay! Beluga whales are bright, friendly, and super fun. This is a blue lobster.
Hello, ocean adventurers! Let's meet the blue lobster, a super rare lobster with a bright blue shell. The blue lobster lives in the cold waters of the Atlantic Ocean, near countries like the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom. It eats fish, crabs, and small sea creatures while hiding among rocks. The blue lobster can live more than 30 years and enjoys exploring the ocean floor at night. Isn't the blue lobster an incredible treasure of the sea? This is a orangutan.
Hello, jungle explorers. Let's meet the orangutan, a big ape with long arms and reddish-brown hair. The orangutan lives in the rainforests of Indonesia and Malaysia, especially on the islands of Borneo and Sumatra. It eats fruits, leaves, and insects while swinging high in the trees. The orangutan can live about 30 to 40 years and enjoys spending time alone, resting, and building nests to sleep. Isn't the orangutan an amazing and gentle friend of the forest? Ready to dive deep and meet a spiral superstar? Say hello to the amazing nautilus. This sea creature lives in deep waters near Indonesia, Australia, and the Philippines. The nautilus has a beautiful spiral shell and uses tiny tentacles to catch shrimp, crabs, and small fish. A nautilus can live up to 15 to 20 years. It loves floating gently and hiding during the day. What a cool and ancient ocean explorer.
This is a penguins. Hi, snowy adventurers. Let's meet the penguins, the funny birds that cannot fly but are amazing swimmers. Penguins live in the southern hemisphere, especially in Antarctica, Chile, South Africa, and New Zealand. They love to eat fish, squid, and krill. A penguin can live about 15 to 20 years and enjoys sliding on ice and swimming in groups. Did you know penguins take turns keeping their eggs warm? That makes penguins wonderful parents.
This is a spotted stingray. Hi, ocean friends. Let's meet the spotted stingray, a flatfish with pretty spots on its body. The spotted stingray lives in warm, shallow waters near countries like Thailand, Indonesia, and Australia. This gentle swimmer eats crabs, shrimp, and small fish. A spotted stingray can live about 15 to 25 years and loves to hide under the sand. Did you know the spotted stingray flaps its wide fins like wings, making it look like it's flying underwater? This is a sheep. Hi, little farmers. Let's meet the sheep, a fluffy animal that people raise all around the world, from Australia and New Zealand to the USA and England. The sheep loves to eat grass, leaves, and hay. A sheep can live about 10 to 12 years and enjoys staying in groups called flocks. Did you know the sheep gives us warm wool for clothes and blankets? That makes the sheep very helpful to people.